together. Hey guys, I have been struggling with my push-up for years. And today I'm gonna start a 30-day push-up challenge to break this cycle. So my goal is to do 20 push-ups in one go on my 30th day. This challenge is also gonna be an experiment to test setting goals versus aimlessly hoping for good outcomes, which has failed me over and over again. I'm gonna wake up every single day for the next 30 days. Before I do anything else, I'm gonna try to do as many push-ups as I can in one go. Ideally, I'm gonna be adding those push-ups every day to get me close to that 20 push-up number I'm aiming to hit on my 30th day. And today, I can only do, you know what? Let me get on the floor. You gym rats out there, feel free to correct my forms in the comment section down below. As you can see, I can do almost 5 push-ups in one go. The rest of you might be able to do 5 push-ups like I did, or you might be doing 2, 1, even 0. It doesn't really matter, because this challenge is here to help you get to that number that you're aiming for. But if you haven't done your first push-up yet, I highly recommend that you start this challenge with an elevated push-up rather than on the floor. Because we want quality and not quantity, so I want you to pay attention to your form. I am super pumped for this challenge. If we can prove that setting goal is more productive, is more achieving than just aimlessly hoping for a good outcome, that's gonna be life-changing. Because all we have to do is set goal and get after it. What you have to do now is go down in the comment section and write down the number of push-ups you're starting with today and your aim and your goal number that you want to get to by the end of this 30-day challenge. You keep me updated with your progress in the comment section. I will come back next week and update you with my weekly progress. I'm super pumped for this challenge. I hope you are too. Join me. Don't forget, come back to the comment section. Update me with your progress. Tell me how you're doing. Let's do this together.